Today I'm sharpening knife at Canva, and honestly this place is something else. I kept thinking, imagine working here. I wish I found this place years ago. The energy, the people, it just feels different. And the perks? You can literally eat anything, breakfast, lunch, unlimited coffee and tea all day. I've seen so many Balinese stuff here too. Makes me a bit jealous, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time I'm grateful that even if I don't work here, I still get to serve them my best work.